Hello students, today we are going to start our chapter 14, that is time. Students, from here you can see the time from mobile phones, from the clocks, from the wristwatches. Wristwatches are those watches that we can wear on our hand. Students, you can easily see the time from these type of watches, that is the digital. In digital form, time is given, that is 12:38. But it is difficult for you to see the time for the analog clock. So, today we are going to discuss that how we can see the time from these types of clocks. Students, the face of the clock is known as dial. This face of the clock is known as dial. Students, it is divided into 12 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and last one is 12. The difference between each digit, that is the difference between 12 and 1 is 5. Next again between 1 and 2 is 5. Next 2 and 3 difference is 5. Students, the long hand, this one is the long hand is called the minute hand, and the short one hand is the hour hand, and that one last is the second hand. Students, in most of the clocks only two hands are given, that is the minute hand and hour hand. So how can we see the time? For example, in this clock, first of all see the shorthand clock is in front of which? For example, in this diagram, the short hand is in front of 2 and the long hand is in front of 12. That means here it is 2 o'clock. Students, in the first sum, exercise 14.1, first sum, the short hand is on the 4 and the long hand is on the 12. That means the time is 4 o'clock. And we can also write in this way, that is 4 o'clock. Student, next, see this clock and tell me what is the time on that clock. Okay student, the short hand is on 6 and the long hand is on the 12. That means here it is 6 o'clock. Here it is 6 o'clock. Students, every time the short hand is changed but the long hand on its same position, that is the 12. That means it is 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Next one is day, night, morning and evening. Students, when the sun rises in the early morning, when we get up early, that is the morning. And evening, when the sun sets down, it is called the evening. And at night, when the stars shining, that is the night. Students, next, exercise 14.2, you have to write down all the days of the week. Here, you have to write down the days of the week. For example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and last Saturday, and last one is Sunday. Students, the week starts from the Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And the second part is you have to answer the questions which are given in your book. That which day comes after Sunday? After Sunday every time comes Monday. After Sunday it becomes Monday. Next students, what will day come before Sunday? Before Sunday is Saturday. Before Sunday is Saturday. Next student, what day will come after Thursday? After Thursday, which day? Friday. In this way, you have to solve the exercise. Students, your homework is to write down the whole chapter on your notebooks with the help of your parents. Thank you.